In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your work address in Waze. If you commute regularly, having your work location saved in Waze makes getting turn-by-turn directions as easy as a single tap. It also helps Waze suggest smarter departure times based on traffic. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, keeping everything simple and clear. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Give it a moment to load the map and your current location. If you're new to Waze, that's fine. These steps work the same whether you've used the app for years or you're just getting started. Next, tap the search button at the bottom of the screen. It typically looks like a magnifying glass and is labeled Where To. This is your main gateway for finding places, browsing recent destinations, and managing favorites. Now look for the Work option. It usually appears near the top of the search panel, alongside Home and other shortcuts. Tap Work to open the entry screen for your workplace. If you've never set it before, Waze will guide you to add it. If you already have a work address saved, this is where you can update it by entering a new one. In the search bar, start typing your work address. Be as specific as you can. Include the street number, street name, city, and if helpful, the postal or zip code. As you type, Waze will show suggestions underneath. These suggestions are powered by map data and recent searches, so you might see your correct address appear before you finish typing. When you see the correct address in the results, tap it to select. Double-check the details. Make sure the street name, city, and any suite or building information match what you expect. Picking the precise location helps Waze guide you to the right entrance and prevents last-minute rerouting. After selecting the correct address, tap Done. This confirms your choice and saves the location as your work address. You should see it appear under your favorites or shortcuts, ready for quick access whenever you need it. From now on, you can tap Work from the search screen to get directions instantly, and Waze will factor in current traffic to help you arrive on time. If your workplace changes later, just repeat these steps to update the address. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set your work address in Waze, making your daily commute smoother and more predictable. If this helped, feel free to save or share the video so you can reference it the next time you set up a new device or move offices. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.